If you live in East Point, then please pay attention to this important information I'm about to share with you. I'm Georgia Attorney Gary Martin Hayes. Violent crimes are on the rise in your city. East Point continues to see an increase in staggering violent crimes within its community, which far exceeds the national average. These crimes include murders, reported rapes and sexual assaults, shootings, armed robberies, and arson. In 2015, East Point experienced 904 violent crimes. In fact, East Point had 618 more crimes committed in 2015 than the national average of only 286 per year. 55% of these crimes were thefts, with reported rapes and sexual assaults accounting for 184 of the violent crimes. And here's some more shocking statistics regarding sexual assault. In East Point, there are 89 registered sex offenders. The ratio of number of residents to the number of sex offenders is only 400 to 1. Assaults and rapes have been on a continual rise in your community for the past 5 years. In fact, reported rapes and sexual assaults in Metro Atlanta are up by approximately 30%. Each year, there are about 237,000 sexual assaults in the United States, and some suggest as much as 60% of sexual assaults are never reported to police. Now, it's important to note that if an attack occurs within a business or an apartment complex, a parking lot, the commercial establishment can potentially be held liable. Under Georgia law, these businesses have a duty to exercise ordinary care to prevent foreseeable third-party criminal acts. So please, if you live in or around East Point, I encourage you to be vigilant. Don't put yourself in a situation where you are an easy target. And remember, when out and about, there is safety in numbers. Now, if you've been injured due to a sexual assault, a shooting, a stabbing, we understand certainly the difficulty you're going through, and we have the experience and the resources to protect you and to fight for justice for you. I encourage you to call me right away for a free confidential consultation. All you have to do is pick up the phone and dial 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Again, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. And to learn more about me and my law firm, please visit GaryMartinHayes.com.